I have no real estate experience. Can I still get a loan?
Yes, for those who are first-time investors, most lenders don't want to work with first-time investors. Newbies is what we call you. We're a little unique because we have a relationship with a lot of the nation's best seminar companies. And what happens is when you come out of the right workshops and you have the right education, we work with investors because we can at least have an intelligent conversation. And what's unique again about us, because we're the consultative lender, we actually hold your hand through the process. So we work with first-time investors all the time. And unlike most lenders who are just going to say, yeah, we can do the loan, or no, we can't.
Right.
We actually will walk you through it, make sure that your deal is actually profitable, and we'll explain the process. We have a bunch of videos, a bunch of information when you apply with us that'll walk you through the loan process, the appraisal process, the rehab process, the scope of work process. So we're very geared up for first-time investors.